You guys know I hate technical analysis. I've made several videos now describing my hatred toward technical analysis. The reason I hate technical analysis is because it's all a lie. It's a myth. It's all bullshit. And what really angers me about technical analysis is the fact that there's all these fake trading gurus out there spreading these lies. They're selling you guys this myth that is technical analysis. And some of you guys actually are trying to be traders. You want to be long-term, profitable, successful traders, but these scammers, they find you early. You guys that are just now getting into trading, right? And you're young, you're impressionable traders, and they have poisoned your mind with this whole technical analysis scam that they're running. Technical analysis has never been proven to work. It's essentially very similar to something like astrology or reading tarot cards or, I don't know, rolling a magic 8-ball or whatever. You know, it has no bearing on anything. It doesn't really help your trading. It doesn't really hurt your trading. It is completely and utterly a pointless thing to do. It would be the same as, you know, if I'm going to decide on whether I'm going to be bullish or bearish on this next trade by rolling a dice. And if the dice comes up an odd number, I'll be bullish. If it comes up an even number, I'll be bearish. Will that actually do anything with my trading? No, it will have absolutely zero impact on my trading other than wasting my time, because if I'm a new trader and I'm trying to learn how to actually trade the right way, then when I buy into bullshit like technical analysis, then that is slowing me down. That is preventing me from getting to that ultimate goal, or at least preventing me from getting there as quickly as I want to. Technical analysis is a tool of the fake trading guru. Pretty much every fake trading guru you have ever seen uses technical analysis, and they try to sell you on technical analysis. It's their favorite thing to sell. But oddly enough, when you look around at real traders, you go to trading communities where you find successful long-term traders, they never talk about technical analysis, or if they do talk about technical analysis, it's a very small part of what they do with their trading. Real traders actually know that the key to being a successful trader has nothing to do with reading chart patterns. The key to being a successful trader, for the most part, the number one thing you have to learn to do is managing your risk. And oddly enough, the fake trading guru, he never talks about risk management. That is a topic that just never comes up. And that's an easy way to spot a fake trading guru. If they never talk about risk management strategies, if they don't talk about managing your position sizes or your overall buying power usage, or managing your beta weighted deltas, or hedging delta, or hedging vega, or diversifying by underlyings, diversifying by strategy, diversifying by expirations if they're using options, all of those risk management things that I just talked about, those things are 1,000 times more important than any technical analysis discussion you'll ever hear in your life. Those things are far more important than drawing a pattern on a chart or reading a technical indicator. Guys, I've said it so many times, if you're following one of these trading gurus, and I say trading gurus in quotes, if you're following one of these trading gurus who focuses entirely on technical analysis, his entire strategy is based on reading chart patterns, reading the candlesticks. If that's all he ever talks about, that's not a real trading guru. That's a fake trading guru. Such a person likely isn't even a real trader. All they are really, they're a salesman, right? They're trying to sell you something. What they are, they're that scammy used car salesman. And like a used car salesman, they're just trying to sucker you into buying this lemon that they want to sell you, right? And they know most people want to believe. Most people want to believe in the dream. That's what they're trying to sell you. They're trying to sell you this dream that you're going to become extremely wealthy, and they're going to make it sound like this trading thing is so easy. All you got to do is draw these patterns on your chart like an 8-year-old with some crayons and a coloring book. You just draw a random pattern on your stock charts and you take the trade based off this random thing you drew on the stock chart, and magically you're just going to make money. And it sounds absolutely retarded. Like, when you think about it, that's the most ridiculous thing anybody could ever tell you in life. But so many people, they hear this and they go, oh, well, that makes sense. Yeah, let me buy your $5,000 course on how to draw random patterns on a stock chart. And why is technical analysis the favorite tool of the fake trading guru? Why does every fake trading guru try to sell you on technical analysis? They're not doing it because it's in your best interest. They're doing it, it's because it's in in their best interest. It is something very easy for them to sell you on. First of all, technical analysis videos on platforms like YouTube and TikTok, sadly, they get a lot of views because this technical analysis lie has been spread by so many of these fake gurus. It's become kind of a running joke. Everybody that wants to scam people out of money, they become a fake trading guru, and then they start selling people on this technical analysis dream. And because of that, these technical analysis videos, people buy into them, people watch them, people binge watch them. So a lot of trading gurus, they make videos about technical analysis because it gets them views. The more views they get on their videos, the more money they make. And this lie has been spread so much that many novice traders actually believe that technical analysis is trading, right? Like that's really trading, is drawing patterns on a chart. You know, you just draw a pattern on the chart and that pattern will tell you whether to go long or short, right? And when the general public thinks about trading, sometimes the general public, that's kind of what they think about. They think about the technician, right? The technical trader, but that's not what real trading is about. If you go find somebody that actually trades for a living and has been doing so for a number of years, maybe multiple decades, chances are they're probably not a technical trader. And these fake trading gurus, they love pairing technical analysis with day trading because that's the dream they sell. You're going to become a day trader using technical analysis. And by day trader, I mean somebody that takes a lot of day trades. A day trade is a trade you open and close within the same trading day. And these are really short time frame trades. And the shorter the time frame on a trade, the more randomness there is in the trade. There's the less edge you actually have in the trade. Oddly enough, the worst thing you can do is to take short dated trades. If you want to be a successful trader, the longer time frame you use, the more successful you'll be. You never hear fake trading gurus actually sell you on that. And there's a reason they don't sell you on that. They want you to buy in to the excitement. And the excitement is not taking a trade that's going to last a month or 2 months or a year. No, the excitement is taking a trade and being in and out of it in 5 minutes. And you're going to use these random chart patterns that you draw on your stock charts to base all your decisions on, right? That sounds exciting. Yeah, it sounds ridiculous when you think about it, but a lot of people want that excitement, that gambling kind of mindset, especially if you have that kind of gambling mindset. You're one of these people that are likely to buy into this technical analysis / day trading bullshit. And I know I just hurt some people's feelings by just taking a big old dump on day trading, right? But honestly, when you talk to people that have been trading for a long time, especially successful traders, and you ask them about ways to trade, the ways to trade and make money, scalping futures or scalping Forex with day trading is really friggin' far down the list. Like that's the last thing that a real trader would be trying to do. So why don't the fake trading gurus actually teach real topics, important topics like risk management, number one, but also trading topics, active trading topics like, you know, trading options in a responsible way, maybe running the wheel on something like SPY or selling put credit spreads in SPY, you know, things like I cover. You know, there's a lot of ways to actively trade options to make money in a reasonably responsible way. Or if you want to be real safe, why don't any of these fake trading gurus talk about passive investment? And you never hear any of them tell people to actually work a job, save money, and passively invest in something like SPY. Like I've never heard a fake trading guru ever say something like that. But again, the fake trading guru, he's a salesman, right? He's trying to sell people on a dream. And the dream is not to passively invest. You know, it's not the buy and hold strategy. And it's not even actively trading options in a responsible way like what I do on this channel. The dream is to make $1 bajillion overnight. You know, that's the dream they want to sell. You know, most viewers of a YouTube channel, they don't want to be sold the boring, responsible way to trade. That's not what they're there for, right? They want the exciting, risky way to trade, right? They want to be sold a dream, even if they have a very small chance of ever realizing that dream of making $1 bajillion. They want to be told that there's a chance, right? They want a chance. Many novice traders want trading to be like the lottery. You know, the lottery, you go pay a few bucks for a lottery ticket and you have the potential to win tens of millions, hundreds of millions. You know, 99.99999% of the people that play the lottery will not win, but you know somebody's got to win. And that's all you want. You want to be that one of a bajillion chance of winning, you know, the jackpot. Real traders are not looking for excitement and they're not looking for gambling. A real trader, they're making very sound and practical trades. They're trading in a safe, responsible way, and they're trying to basically guarantee that they will make money in the long term doing the responsible thing. The responsible thing is typically very boring, right? It's doing the same responsible trades over and over and over again, thousands of times over a number of years, so that they, win small over and over again, and all those small wins eventually become a large sum of money. But that's not the dream new traders want to be sold. That's the reason the fake trading gurus, the reason they exist is because they know human psychology. They know how to play on your emotions. The truth is, most traders don't want to be sold the boring but guaranteed profit strategy. They don't want that. If I tried to give them a strategy that was both boring and guaranteed small profits, they wouldn't want it. But if I tried to sell them something that was exciting and, you're probably not going to make any money, but that 1 in a million, that person might win an extremely large amount of money, people would be lining up around the block to buy my course. So if you're rather new to trading and you've been following some of these trading gurus on YouTube or TikTok or on social media, does your favorite trading guru ever talk about important things like the Greeks? Do they ever talk about delta, theta, and vega? If they've never talked about the option Greeks and they're an options trading guru, run away from that person. If they're not teaching you delta, theta, and vega, which are the 3 primary components that affect options pricing, you stand no chance of being a successful options trader. You have no idea how options pricing even works. Does your trading guru ever talk about risk management, max position size, max buying power usage? Do they ever talk about hedging, delta hedging, or vega hedging? Do they ever talk about hedging for a volatility spike? If they've never talked about any of those topics, run away. And finally, and maybe the most important point that I'm going to make on this video, does your favorite trading guru ever talk about diversification? And when I talk about diversification, I don't mean diversification by what underlyings he trades. Most traders trade multiple underlyings. Very few traders are the one product trader. When I say, does he ever talk about diversification, does your favorite trading guru diversify by strategy? Does he only ever tell you one strategy? Is that all he promotes? Does he try to sell you one trading strategy and that's all he knows? Is he a one-trick pony? Anybody that all they ever do is the one strategy, that is not a real trading guru. In fact, that is not even a real trader. That is definitely a scammer. That's a con artist, and they're trying to scam you out of your money. So guys, just pay attention to some of the people you're following on social media and also on video platforms. Anybody claiming to be a trading guru and trying to sell you courses, membership programs, whatever it happens to be, if they're trying to separate you from your money in some way, make sure it's worth it. Make sure they're a real trader, right? And actually ask them some of the questions that I just asked you on this video. Any guru that's supposed to be a trading guru and they only know one strategy, that's all they use, that's all they promote, that's all they teach to you, that's all they recommend that you ever use, that's a fraud, right? That's a scam artist. You need to get away from that person, because I promise you, these one-trick pony fake trading gurus, they're going to cause you to lose all of your money. And I don't want to see you guys get hurt by following some of these clowns. Anyway, food for thought. Peace, guys.